Hi friends, in this session we are going to see what is class in Python. In Python, a class is a blueprint or a template for creating objects. It is a fundamental concept of object-oriented programming and it allows you to define the structure and behavior of the objects. A class encapsulates data in the form of attributes and functions in the form of methods that operate on the data. When you define a class, you are essentially creating a new data type with its own unique properties and behaviors. Objects are instances of a class, meaning you can create multiple objects of the same class, each with its own distinct data. We will see this with an example. To define a class, we will use class keyword and the class name. The naming convention is the first letter of the class name should be capital letter. Underscore underscore init underscore underscore is a constructor and we can initialize the instance variable when we are creating an object. Here I have passed two arguments, name and age, and I am initializing instance variable with self.name is equal to name and self.age is equal to age, and self denotes current object. And I have defined a method getStudent, and this will return what is the name of the student and what is the age of the student of the current object. Here I am creating a object for the student class and I am passing the first argument name and second argument age, and it returns student object. And if you print student1.name, it will return Kiran, and student1.age gives 19. And if you want to print both name and age as a dictionary, I have created a method getStudent and it returns a dictionary with name and age as keys and values also. Further, std1.getStudent will return the dictionary with name and age of that student. We can create a number of objects and we can pass a distinct data to each object. Suppose I have created a student object with Kiran and 19, and I have created another student object with Suresh and 18, and we can create n number of objects with distinct values. We'll try to execute this program and see the output. If you see here, I have declared first of all a student object with Kiran and 19, and it is created an object for us, and I have printed name, age and get student. Name is printed Kiran and age is 19, and get student returns a dictionary with name and age. The same way I have created another object with different data, and I have passed a name as Suresh and age as 18, and it returns a new object, and I'm printing name and age and get student. If you see here, it is printed Suresh, age is 18, and get student returns dictionary with name and age. A class is a blueprint or a template for creating objects, and we can create multiple objects of the same class, each with its own distinct data, and it allows you to define the structure and behavior of objects. And class encapsulates data in the form of attributes and functions in the form of methods. That's all. Thank you.